say goodnight and go.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing a blue type of look. I have on my Kentucky hoodie because we are currently playing the Citrus Bowl. I watched like all of the first half and then the very beginning of the third quarter, and I was like, I've been wanting to film, so we're gonna film. But I'm doing like a blue type of look. I'm not sure how chatty it's gonna be, but yeah, okay. Let's just get into this video. Also, quickly, this is my first talking video since I hit 600 subscribers. So thank you guys so much. I love y'all so freaking much. My goal for this year is going to be 1.5k, and I think we can do it. I have faith in you guys. And also, I quickly wanted to say, Happy New Year. Okay, I love y'all so much. Like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to take the shade Playground from the James Charles palette. I haven't used the blues in this palette yet, but I've used the purples. So I'm trying to okay, that works. I'm just packing this kind of high into the crease, and then you're gonna blend it out after you've packed some of the pigment on. I'm using the exact same brush but on the other side, and I'm gonna go in with Brother, and I'm going to put that slightly under the shade we just used, but then kind of go right on top of it. The look we are going for is like very dark blue, so the first color we used was a little bit too light, so that's why we're kind of packing this other shade right on top of it. Like this now, and I'm going to put the shade Cola right very low into my crease. So like all the way down here. Okay, so I went in with a tiny bit of black and I put it on the very outer corner, and tiny like little eyebrow brush and put it into the crease. And then I just kind of like went in and blended everything out a little bit more like bluey colors. I used a little bit of the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. But now I'm going to do this like halo-ish type of thing. This song is fucking amazing. Best part. So let me explain to you what the heck I did to get this. Now, I took the shade Acapella from the James palette, and I put that on top of like the thing that I cut. So like I just did like a little line and then like spread it out. It's hard to explain. Watch Nikki Tutorials videos, so you'll figure out how to do it. But I like did that thing with concealer, and then I put the Acapella shade all over the bottom half. And then I went in with the shade Face, Spotlight, Flashback, and my Nikki Tutorials highlighter in this tiny brush, and I put that like on the top part, and then I put the shade Hello right on top of Acapella to add more of like an icy look. That's how I got this. Honestly, it was pretty freaking hard if I'm going to be 100% honest with y'all, but I don't really think there's anything you can do about it if you want to do this look. Okay, so I baked, did concealer, all that stuff. So for bronzer, I'm going in with a mixture of my number 7 bronzer and the Park Avenue Princess bronzer. And I just checked the score of the Kentucky game, and right now we're up 27-21. We're playing Penn State for the Citrus Bowl game, and I'm really like freaking freaking out kind of, because if we like win this, like we're number 14 right now, they're number 12, and if we win, like that's gonna be a really big deal, because I don't think we've won a bowl game in a while, and we could have a chance, like, I don't know, it's just like a really big deal. It'd help with recruiting next year a lot, so I'm praying that we win. For highlighter, I'm using my Pixie one mixed with my Ofra. The reason I'm doing both is because the Pixie one is too dark for me, but if I add the Ofra one on top, it should be a perfecto match. So I'm gonna go in with this side, which is the more goldy toned. I feel like this look will look gorgeous with a gold highlighter. That's just what we're gonna do. Okay, this is the highlighter, and I did my inner corner. So these are the lashes I'm using. They are LA Colors Diva lashes, and I'm just waiting for my lash glue to dry, and I'm gonna pop these things on. For lips, I used the NYX Lingerie lip in the shade Bedtime Flirt, and then right in the middle, on top of it, I put the Kylie lip kit in Low Key. So I used a very cool tone and then a pinky warm tone, and it's like a peachy everyday type of nude color, which I think looks perfect. I don't think I'm gonna add a gloss, even though I really want to. I'm not going to. So this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoy. It definitely took me a while, but it's pretty. For sure, it's pretty. So I hope y'all enjoyed. I love y'all so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. Thank you so much for 600. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, babies.